everybody, I'm Amy. I'm a Master Gardener with the London Middlesex Master Gardeners, and I wanted to talk to you today about winter gardening. It's mid-July and the last thing you're thinking about is winter. However, if you do a little bit of work now, you'll be thanking yourself in the fall and winter when you have vegetables. So what you can do right now, mid-July, until the beginning of August, is do some seeding into pots and trays inside or in a shady spot that you have around. I'm saying to do some seeding rather than directly into your garden because it's hard to get seeds to transplant this time of year. The sun is hot, it can get quite dry, and the seeds won't germinate reliably. So I have better luck seeding in a controlled environment and then transplanting into the garden about a month from now. So as an example, I have some lettuces here. We have 5 different varieties of lettuce. I put these in the ground a few days ago and they just jumped out. So a few weeks from now, I'm going to take these lettuce seedlings and transplant them into a bigger cell, so something like this. But you don't need anything fancy like this. You can just use some old yogurt containers and make pots out of paper, whatever. And then a few weeks they'll grow in those larger pots and then they'll go into the garden. This allows you to have big healthy plants that are well spaced out so you don't get crowding and fungal diseases. So a lot of plants that you may directly seed in the garden, I would start now in a controlled environment, inside or in a shady spot. So I've got some lettuces here, some onions, scallions, some Asian radishes. These radishes don't like to have their roots disturbed, so I space them out, but I have much better luck germinating them here than I do in the garden. When you're choosing crops for the winter, you want to pick crops that are cold tolerant. This means that they can take a light frost and they'll still be fine. And you also want to pick vegetables that have a days to maturity of between 50 and 60 days, no more. Anything less than 50 or 60 days is great. You'll be planting these in your garden late August, early September, and we tend to get our first frost around mid-October. So a plant that has a 50 or 60 days to maturity means that if you plant it at the end of August, it'll be mature by the time we get our first frost. And you've also picked a crop that's cold tolerant, so it won't even mind if it gets a light frost. This helps you ensure that you extend the harvest well into the fall. I don't start everything in pots in a shady spot. I also will seed some things directly in the garden in mid-August or early September. These are things that I'm growing in larger volume like spinach or coriander. So just pick and choose what you want to start indoors in pots and what you want to direct seed in your garden. But definitely right now think about starting some things in pots, and about mid-August think about starting some things in the garden, and you will thank yourself later. Thanks for listening.